Hello everybody, my name is Sibisa Eugene. I'll be taking you on a full stack web development program on how to be an instructor. About the instructor, I have 5+ years as a web developer, 2+ years creating annotation courses, specializes in JavaScript technologies and Python programming language. Course description: this course includes over 15 different technologies within 5 selected categories. There are 30+ projects, mini projects, and code samples. By the end of this course, you should consider yourself as a full stack developer. 5 areas I'll be looking at: front-end, back-end, databases, essential technologies, and debugging and tools. Each area has 4 to 6 sections. Each section has 4 to 2 lectures. Each lecture has 1 to 6 videos with source code. Front-end technologies, I'm looking at HTML, HTML5, CSS, Twitter, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and jQuery. Back-end technologies, Vue.js, PHP, and Python. Databases, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. Other essential technologies, Memcached, Redis, Markdown, and Sass. Version control and debug, Git, Grunt, Gulp, Chrome developer and tools, PHP debugging, and errors. Project examples, okay? These are the projects we'll be building at the end of each section of each program or each package you'll be doing. Looking at, for HTML, we're looking at building a simple HTML template. For the Ajax, we're looking at building a GitHub profile finder. PHP, we'll be looking at building a PHP job board, and so much more we'll be looking at doing, okay? So, I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button, and see you. Don't forget to come back and watch more series. Thank you very much. I love you.